All right, everyone. This is Shannon Ballman Theis, the payroll queen. And today, the first thing that we're going to discuss are the new PTIN login requirements that the IRS has put out. Let's see. All right. So I got this email from irs.gov yesterday, and um, it is letting us know that the IRS is contacting us because the tax professional PTIN system sign-on process for tax return preparers who have social security numbers will now have to sign in using ID.me, which conducts identity verification and credential management for a lot of the IRS online services. Um, the reason that they specify that it is for tax return preparers or other PTIN holders that have social security numbers is because there are a lot of PTIN holders that do not live in the United States, so they would not have a social security number. I'm assuming they're rolling out the additional verification in stages. And so now when you log in to manage your PTIN account, which, we log in usually, I only log in once a year, and that's to answer the questions, renew my PTIN, and pay the PTIN fee. So now when we log in, we'll have to use ID.me. And um, if you're like me and you already have an ID.me account, because I mean we need it when we log into our SOR or secure object repository mailbox to download tax transcripts. If we don't use an automated system to pull transcripts, we use ID.me when we log into EFTPS to manage tax payments or verify tax payments for our clients. So I will be following the existing ID.me users instructions, which says that you can sign in without re-verifying your identity. But if you're a new user, you will have to create ID.me, which means you'll have to have a government issued photo ID. It can be your state issued driver's license or state issued ID. I used my passport because it was what I had scanned and handy already on my computer. And you'll need an email address that you'll use. That your email address will be your username for ID.me. You'll need a camera on your computer or your cell phone, because it needs to take multiple pictures of your face and to confirm that your face matches the ID that you've submitted. And there are some links here for if you have any questions, and you will find these in the description below. This email was just, letting everybody know that you'll have to use ID.me every time you log in to manage your PTIN system. So, and you know, when they first started using ID.me for a lot of the government logins, I was anticipating it, just to be, not good, because it's the government rolling something out. And my experience always tells me when the government is rolling out a new software to or tech software or tech improvement, that it's not going to go smoothly. But I know when like initially it wasn't always good, but when they rolled out using ID.me login.gov for as part of your sign-in process for EFTPS, for us it went super smoothly. We just used the logins that we had for EFTPS, but first we had to log in using ID.me. And you do get a code when you to verify that the person logging in is you. So you'll get either a code by email or a code that is text to you. There is no option for using an authenticator app to enter the code. But I mean, if you've used ID.me before, it's it's a pretty simple, straightforward process to log in. You just continue to log in like normal once you do the additional verification step using ID.me. I was a little surprised by looking at this email that it looks like ID.me is your only option, not like logging into some of the other websites where they give you 2 or 3 different options. Because the most common is ID.me and login.gov. But looks like ID.me is the only one that's available. And personally, I don't anticipate any any issues or any major glitches with being able to access the tax professional PTIN system using the ID.me login.